Hello, I thought I'd just pop on a quick video to share with you about some work I've been doing, which is sort of pulling together things I've been doing for myself spiritually for the last 20 years, and also the upcycling, which I've done for 40 years since I was a child. Can you believe it? And I want to put the two things together. So I'm creating this sacred sewing and self-worth event. It's actually a retreat, and I will be doing workshops of these later, but it's so you can come together as a community and actually recreate from something you absolutely love, but want to put it together in a new way that completely honors your true self within. And we'll be doing some incredible tapping into what your true elements of your true self really is, and how you can express it for your clothing. Being very creative, we'll be very resourceful, and then we're going to be doing that at a special place down in Somerset called Worth House. We're going to go to look for beautiful upcycling materials on top. So don't worry if you aren't armed with all the things that you need. We will be going to find them, as well as I will be showing them from my beautiful sewing box. But I won't try and move the camera now, but I have an amazing collection to share with you. So I've got all kinds of tips, tricks and expertise to share with you, which will be spent over the weekend to create the perfect piece